In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop snap in Canva. If you've ever tried to move an element around your Canva design and it keeps snapping into a frame when you don't want it to, this quick trick will make that process much easier. This is especially helpful when you want more precise control over where an item goes, instead of having Canva automatically lock it into place. To get started, open your Canva design. Make sure you're on the page where the element and the frame are visible, so you can clearly see what's happening as you move things around. If you already have an object placed near a frame, that's perfect, because it lets you test the behavior right away. Next, click and hold the element you want to move. While still holding it, press and hold the Control key if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're using a Mac. Keep that key pressed down as you drag the item. Now, when you move the element, even if you drag it over a frame, Canva will stop snapping it into that frame automatically. This gives you much more flexibility when positioning items, especially in layouts with overlapping objects, image frames, or detailed designs where snapping can get in the way. It's a simple keyboard shortcut, but it can save a lot of frustration when you're trying to place something exactly where you want it. One very important detail here is the order in which you release everything. After you've moved the element into position, release your mouse first. Only after that should you let go of the Control or Command key. That part matters because it helps ensure the element stays where you placed it without snapping unexpectedly at the last moment. If it doesn't seem to work on your first try, just slow the motion down a bit and make sure you're holding the keyboard key the entire time while dragging. The key needs to stay pressed from the moment you begin moving the element until after you release the mouse. And that's it. That's the quick and easy way to stop snap in Canva when moving an element over a frame. Once you get used to this shortcut, it becomes a very natural part of editing and can make arranging your designs feel much smoother and more precise.